Hey, I'm Sam. And if nobody ever taught you how money actually works, that's exactly why I'm here. Most people spend their whole lives working hard, but never learn how to make their money work hard for them. They're stressed about debt. They have no idea how to invest. And passive income sounds like something only rich people get to have. I started Smart Sam to change that. Every week, I break down personal finance, investing, and wealth building using plain English and zero jargon. No suits, no boring lectures, just real, useful money knowledge explained simply. We'll cover how to start investing with as little as $100, how to pay off debt faster than you ever thought possible, and how to build income streams that work even while you sleep. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you've ever looked at your bank account and thought, there has to be a better way, then hit subscribe, because Smart Sam is your guide to finally getting your money right. Let's get started.